Nor would I ever show it, and I'm not doing that. I could give two shits about Yoshi. There's nothing in there. Honestly, don't care. Get away from me, fish! Dick. I gotta stop spin jumping so much. Bye-bye, I need sleep time. Alright, see you later. I need something for that. Wait, what is that anyways? Do I need that? I honestly hope I don't need that. There's a secret right there. I don't care for the secret unless I really have to find it. Which I've seen later levels of this. And it kind of looks like you need to find the secrets to beat the level, which is great. I don't know about this level, but I know future levels you do. Let's try it. Let's do a trick. Let's do a trick. Oh, I missed it. Oh. I was trying to like throw it up in the air and then catch it real quick. Ah, damn it. I'm trying to... Nope, that's not gonna work. Okay, so I don't need a secret. I don't know what the P-switch is for then. It's probably for just some random secret I just don't care about, really. If this is the original Super Mario World, I would probably go after it. But in this, no. Which kind of makes me wonder if I should, after the Binding of Isaac, should there be a game that I should 100%? I don't know. I don't know, because, you know, there's like some games I really want 100%. I don't know what I could. I have to look at all the games I own and see what I could possibly 100%. I was thinking about Dark Souls, but I don't know about that. Fuck. I gotta get rid of you. Get out. Thank you. I could do like a Super Mario World. No, I can't. Damn it. No, I can't because of Nintendo. I have no idea what else I could do. You know what I could do is what I did with Halo 4 is record Oblivion, start a new profile, like a brand new Xbox Live profile, and then play through Oblivion and 100% it. I don't know how that would sound. Sorry. That was my sound effects. Huh? What's happening here? I'm done. Looks like we can't talk to them in this grotto. We must be getting out of here first. Hey, Mario, can I ask you something? No. Sure, what? What's the name of this guy? I don't know. He's your friend. Arrow. Gilmanterant. Or something like that. Short as Gil. Oh! Huh? What is it? What sounds familiar? To be honest, yes, it sounds a little, I think. I'm confused. How does he look like? Anyway, he looks like a save state. Arrow. He's purple. He's kind of... He's purple. I thought he was blue. What the fuck? My interpretation of blue must be purple and purple must be blue. Did I say that backwards? I don't know. Has kind of a serious expression and wears a long and kind of old cape. He's Kamek. I'm sorry. I spoiled it. What a shady guy is one. Well, he's a spy anyway. I think this didn't help as well. Bah! It doesn't matter. Let's get through this dark place fast so we can talk to him again. No, we don't. He's evil. Hey, oh, I want to go back, actually. I want to carry that... Wait, will he pop out? Oh, he will. Well, fuck that, I'm not doing that. I was going to carry it around with me and just do tricks with it. Yeah, I was going to, like, jump off, throw it in the air, and then just go like, oh, yeah. Why is that going down? Is that good? Really, dude? Really? Fuck. Ha! Oh, man. pretty sad how bad I am with this game. But yeah, let me know if you'd like to see Oblivion 100%ed, all achievements. I'm not talking about all weapons, all armor collected. I'm talking about all achievements. I could do that, actually. It's not that hard. It's just going to take a while. I wish I had something to... Wow. I just barely missed that. I wish I had something to record console, but... I don't know. I don't know. People really didn't mind the Dark Souls playthrough with the video camera. And I don't know if they mind Oblivion playthrough. Oblivion's pretty cool. I'm not going to do Skyrim because I have not 100% that yet. I don't know. That's the thing about me. I don't know if I'm the person who likes 200% things. I don't know. I think it'd be cool. You don't have like a whole playlist of videos about Oblivion. I mean, looking back on the Halo 4 playthrough I did, which was probably better than what I did with Dark Souls with a video camera, it actually turned out alright. Yes, the camera position was just like a hair off, so it's kind of, the picture was angled a bit, which looked like shit a little bit. But at least I tried to make it a little bit better than what some people do on YouTube. Some people just flat out do, you know, like the worst positions ever for the video camera, so you can see like small image on the screen which looks like their TV. I don't do that. I try and make it visual for you guys. I did not expect that. Oops. We only need one more star coin. Oh, we need to find it. It's probably just hidden somewhere. It's probably in that secret right there. Which I don't even know where you get a key, so I'm not gonna try it. World 4. We're already on World 4. That's pretty good. Being as how many videos I put into this. Oh shit. That was so dumb. I almost did it again. What is wrong with me? Ooh. Getting tricky here. I don't know. Kind of seriously thinking about it. I did start a Diablo 3 Road to 100% all achievements playthrough, if that's what I called it, which I probably should have called it that. Wow. Wait for it. I'm not really sure how well that's gonna go because of the frame rate issues. Frame rate issues. It was just wasn't really working too well. It was lagging a lot, and it needs a lot of hard work put into it. I don't mind a lot of hard work because I put a lot of hard work into the Isaac videos, you know, the Binding of Isaac. In case one of your guys' name is Isaac, then I'm not talking about putting a lot of hard work into you. That sounds gross. I know, I'm sorry. Fuck. Again, I don't know why I'm spin jumping all the time, but this is how I play Mario. I try and do tricks and shit. No, I can't get past that. I did not get hit by that, okay. I instantly reloaded because I thought I was gonna die. I'm saving, because that was pretty sweet. What? Let me try that again. I can see Mario! That's cool. I didn't know you could see him when you... What if I jump in the middle? Huh. So if you just like... Okay, is it the same on that side? No. Huh. That's weird, I've never seen that before. I've seen the glitch where you're running on top of a staircase and use the fireballs and it will, you know, like rain down from above. You know, like a death from above thing. But, No, I've never seen that. That was pretty funny. I mean, I've seen him jump, you know, away from the... You know, when you jump in the lava, he spouts out. He looks all upset. I've seen that, but not where, you know, you see half his body on the side of the wall there. Oh! I'm just trying to be... Oh, fire doesn't hurt. Ah! Oh, gimme. Yeah, I want that. I don't know how he killed him, but alright. No, I didn't get it. I don't mind. What? Oh, oh, whatever. I don't know. I kind of feel like trying Diablo 3 in just a moment. Let me see where I leave off. First castle. Okay. Mighty Fortress is what we'll do when we come back. I put a couple of videos into this. I think it's okay. So thank you all for watching. We'll come back next time. We will do Mighty Fortress. And... I don't know! Hey, guess what? Windows key. The only way to get out.